What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at William Byron's number 24 Exalta Chevrolet Camaro, specifically the Daytona 500 raced version. This is one of the first race versions we got from the 2024 season. This race I was actually at, so it was pretty special to get this one. Not a huge William Byron fan, but I can definitely appreciate the car. It did look really good in person, seeing that car go around the track. So let's go ahead and take a look at the box outside. Then we'll rip it open and see just how detailed this car was. You can see all the confetti on it already. But as you can see, Cup Series 2024, Hendrick Motorsports, William Byron, and then you do have a QR code here. I haven't scanned that yet, so if anybody wants to scan it and see what it does, go right ahead. But yeah, and then you got over here on the side, obviously you can see William Byron, his number 24 Exalta Daytona 500 win, 2024 Camaro ZL1. On the back side, you just have, the only difference is Lionel Racing, the official diecast of NASCAR. You have your barcode. You have all the copyright stuff here on the bottom. And on the top, of course, traditionally, NASCAR and your hologram. Let's go ahead and rip this bad boy open and see what we got. Alright, we got it out of the box, and we're just going to dive straight into it today. So, as you can see, his white Exalta paint scheme with the flames on it. Very, very nice car. I love all the detail that they put into a lot of these raced version cars. Obviously, he didn't really take too much damage in this race, it doesn't look like. So there's not too many scrapes or scuffs or marks, but you can see your traditional number 24 in the same font that has been used for years, along with your orange flames on the white. You got Exalta, you got HP, you got Liberty University over here. Some of his trademark sponsors, HendrickCars.com right here on the pillar. You got William Byron's name along with his first race win sticker of the season right there. We're going to come around to the front. You can see, hopefully you can see it in the camera, but there is some dirt kind of speckled on the front. Dirt and like the rubber from the racetrack, just from racing that 500-mile race. Which was delayed until the Monday, of course. As you can see, the hood, well, maybe you can't see it, but the hood definitely has a lot of confetti on it along with the windshield. But the Exalta is under there somewhere. But yeah, lots of confetti on this car. So if you like cars with confetti, this is definitely one that I would suggest picking up. Lots of confetti on the hood. You can see the windshield's almost completely covered in confetti, covering up pretty much his entire last name there, Byron. Moving around to the side here. Not too much on this side. Looks like there is a little bit of a scuff mark right here on the Exalta. But not too much. You can see where it's been burnt from the tailpipe. A little bit of burning right there. The car is dirty on the side. So it is definitely a decent, raced version diecast. It's not, it's not like some of the ones that we've seen where they've got, tire marks and fender tape and all kinds of crazy stuff like that. But moving around to the back, you can see he's a couple of little scuffs probably down here on the very bottom. Now, the one thing I do see here on the back, it is a little bit off, and I don't know if that's because he had damage on this corner or if that's just the graphics being a little bit off, but it is a little bit raised on this side. But because it's a race version, he might have had a little bit of damage from contact during the race. But anyway, moving on, we're going to have the Exalta and the Camaro on there. Great detail within these cars, and as you can see from the top of the car, on the deck lid, you got Exalta and all the confetti that's on the top of this car from Victory Lane. Again, very, very nice, very fantastic car. If you like race versions with a lot of confetti, which I know a lot of people do, this is a fantastic one to try to obtain. Very, very, very nice. So that'll do it for this video. We're going to have a lot more coming soon. I've been receiving cars like crazy over the holiday season. So we're going to dive into some of those here soon. So if you enjoyed this and you want to check out more, check out all the other videos I have on my page. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow my social medias for updates on a lot of the cars that are coming out. I will see you guys next time.